Hey everyone, it's Ryan from Schoolified. I'm standing in front of the Starbucks here where I live in Clearwater, Florida. We have a special promotion going on here at Schoolified. Let's go inside and I'll tell you all about it. Hey guys, so we've heard you and we know that can be tough using a new platform without actually trying it. So we want to make it a little bit easier for you and your student to be willing to come over and give Schoolified a run. Here's our Starbucks offer. It's 3 easy steps. First, grab 2 of your students that you teach on a one-to-one basis every week. 2, bring them over to Schoolified for 2 classes each. And 3, let us know when you do that, and we will send you a Starbucks gift card. Here's the conditions. You can use the Starbucks gift card for anything you want. You can give it to one of your students or you can keep it for yourself. The condition is you have to do this before June 20th. So the easiest way to do this is if you already have students that you're teaching on a one-to-one basis, invite them for the next 2 weeks to just come over and try Schoolified. Do that, coffee's on us. We've been looking through all the profiles that many of you have created over the last few weeks, and some of them look really great. Many of you have even started courses getting ready for summer. Several of you have courses starting this week, which we are so excited about. But if you haven't set up a course yet for summer, summer is right around the corner. If you're gonna market to parents, you need to get going now. Here at Schoolified, we are here to support you any way we possibly can. We want you to be able to deliver a great education experience for your students. We want you to be able to make a good amount of money that you deserve, and we want you to have fun while doing it. One of our top concerns is your business. If you're gonna scale to make the kind of amount of money that you really wanna make, you have to do so with tools, business tools and marketing tools that are gonna allow you to take on a huge number of students. So that's why we at Schoolified are so committed to helping you grow your business. So if you need any help getting set up with a one-on-one class, if you need practice in the classroom, if you need marketing advice, if you basically need help with anything, please just reach out to us at Schoolified and we will be there to help you as best as we possibly can to get going. I want you to launch your business, teach your kids, and grow your business to whatever size you want. You can have an impact on your revenue and on the lives of your students that you want to have. So if you're registered for Schoolified, you can join us over on our Schoolified Educators Facebook group. There in that group, we have guides and support, easy access to the Schoolified team as well. If you're not registered for Schoolified yet, it's free September 1st, so get registered over at schoolified.com. Cheers, guys.